Best beekeeping kits. Number 3. LamYHeng Beekeeper Suit and 8-piece Toolkit. Fit for most adults. Suit shoulder width approx. 66 cm, 26 inches. Sleeve length approx. 60 cm, 23.6 inches. Full chest, approx. 130 cm / 51.2 inches. Material polyester and cotton blend. Beekeeping jacket veil with 1 pair of gloves, 1 PCB hive brush and J-hook hive tool, 2 PC queen bee catcher, 1 PC uncapping fork tool, 3 pieces mini beekeeping entrance feeder. Pros: inexpensive, but packed with beekeeping must-have items including a suit with jacket, veil, and gloves, entrance feeder, hive brush, queen bee catcher, uncapping fork, and J-hook. Makes a nice starter kit or addition to a seasoned beekeeper's collection. Cons: no hive is included with this kit, but this won't concern beekeepers who need tools for hives that are already buzzing. Suit material is on the thin side. Bottom line: if you need a beekeeping kit that includes a beekeeper suit and key tools, this is the one to get. The inexpensive price is great for beekeepers who are watching their budgets. Number 2. Little Giant Farm and Ag 10 Frame Beginner Hive Kit. You can become a beekeeper in your own backyard. Includes a copy of Beekeeping for Dummies. This kit includes a pre-assembled hive, gloves, veil, smoker, smoker fuel, bee brush, hive tool, frame feeder, and the book. These are essential supplies to a new keeper. The Langstroth hive comes pre-assembled and features a telescoping outer cover, vented inner cover, 10 natural wood frames with wax-coated black plastic foundation, screened bottom board, entrance reducer, and mite grid. Pros: comprehensive kit for hobbyists includes not only hives and deep wax-coated plastic frames but also a hat, gloves, smoker and fuel, hive tool, bee feeder, bee brush, entrance reducer, and Beekeeping for Dummies. Comes pre-assembled. Cons: some criticisms of build quality and receiving a damaged hive. No spacing tool or frame grip. Bottom line: this kit includes many of the items you need to start beekeeping, except bees, including Langstroth hive, frames and foundation, tools, and some protective gear. Number 1. Mann Basic Beekeeping Starter Kit. This 10-frame traditional basic starter kit is made in the USA and comes complete with what you need to get started as a beekeeper. Includes one 10-frame 9 and 5/8 inch assembled, painted hive body, 10 9 and 1/8 inch assembled wood frames with waxed yellow right cell foundation, assembled painted telescoping cover with inner cover, assembled painted bottom board with reducer, one 10-inch hive tool, one pair economy leather gloves, one Alexander bee veil, one dome top smoker with guard, the starting right with bees book. Measures 22-inch length by 18.5 inch width by 13 and 1/7 inch height. Pros: this kit includes the hive body, 10 frames with wax foundation, painted bottom board, entrance reducer, telescoping cover, inner cover, smoker with guard, hive tool, leather gloves, Alexander bee veil, and an informational book. A very good value for the price. Cons: you'll need to buy a super, frame grip, spacing tool, and feeder separately. You might want to replace the bottom board with a screen bottom. The Alexander veil requires that you wear a hat underneath. Bottom line: this pre-assembled hive from a well-respected company comes with many of the tools you need to get started in beekeeping, except the bees, including a protective veil and gloves. To buy or check price, click the links in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.